basically an introduction to the class and about the assignments. And do you have any questions so far?
Yes, I did, but about Canvas, yes, I think everything's going good. Yes, I'm able to see everything, discuss everything about with other people and able to answer the questions that you gave us for our assignments.
Good.
Yeah, and I do have a question for one of our assignments.
Okay.
And yes, I think it's, let me check. I think it's August the 25th assignment about,
Yes. Uh-huh.
yeah,
I'll
that
go
one.
ahead and share my screen with you. And hi, Bonnie. How are you?
Hello, good. How are you?
Good. Yeah. So that assignment, I know another student asked me about it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go with the module. And that one, what? So you read the article "How to Read Like a Writer" by Mike Bunn,
Mm-hmm.
and I also would like you to include just an example of a media source. You could, just I know one student, she just basically brought in a title of she actually used the example of To Kill a Mockingbird, the book and the film, and so she just brought I think she might have brought and one of them brought in an article title. Um, and if you're just unable to find a media source, I believe another student brought in a movie, Twisters. That might have been another assignment, but I do know that one student did actually bring in, a book, To Kill a Mockingbird is referenced, or just like an article. Um, if you can find an article, like even a blog title of a blog, and just kind of connect it to the prompt. And yeah, if you don't cite that one exactly, that's okay, but you do need to make sure you cite from the mic button. So I'm gonna find that assignment here. It's next week. Yeah, this one right here. So this is the article by Mike Bunn, and so you do need to make sure to cite. Well, what I have here is actually, let's see, what did I do with this article here? So give an example of a claim. Okay, author. Okay. Okay, so basically, like, and if you don't follow it in this order, it's okay. I try to kind of go step by step, and even the papers, because we'll do outlines of the papers and everything. If we have four main papers, I try my best to give you an outline or know exactly what to do for each, sentence or so, like how you should organize it. But so basically with this would be to focus on um, multimodal literacy and give an example. And all you have to do is you could write even the title of the article or the source as your citation here, and then explain how it ties into Mike Bunn's article. Um, I know the students that have already turned this in, they have cited the Mike Bunn, and most have given like an example of either like To Kill a Mockingbird or like a film or I know one student, he gave some illustrations like from like types of blogs and things, but it's best if you could at least, bring in either an image that connects to media or a book or an article, preferably an article, maybe an article title of a blog, or it could be a picture. You could explain how the picture ties in if you know the title of the source where you got it from, anything like that, and that's all that you have to do for that particular one. And like I said, if you do, and I know with one student, I think he was struggling to find just an outside source, so he gave some examples and like types of blogs and things like that. And that's okay too, but if you can find an outside source, um that is, what would be best. Like for the blog, for the discussions, how you're finding images and things like that that kind of explain. I know for the discussion for this week, there's one on